Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to restart Chromecast. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. So now you're going to hop over to Quick Settings and then All Settings. From All Settings, you're going to navigate down to System, click on it, and go to the bottom of this list, the very bottom. Here you see the Restart button. Click on this once, and you're asked to confirm. So click on Restart. Just come over here, click on Restart, and that's going to restart the Chromecast. So I'm not going to restart, I'm going to take cancel, I'm going to head back out. But that's how to restart Chromecast. If you found that insightful, it was useful to you, subscribe to the channel, join this community. We're going to provide more value like this in the next video, so I'll see you there.